Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Say hi.
Hi. Welcome back to our channel.
There she goes. And today, if you haven't been here before, thank you for being here. I am Portia. This is Aniyah and Arlendaz. If you haven't been here before, thank you for being here. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
In today's video, we have arts and crafts. Day who knows what of quarantine. So we are going to make eye sculpts and those little shakers with beans and stuff. So we have our beans, construction paper, different types of scissors, glue sticks, ribbon, cotton balls, more ribbon, and we have a hot glue gun. And so we are going to be making little noise makers. So we're going to get started. I'm going to set this up so that way I'm going to set the camera up so you can watch us do our activity. If you guys have not seen our camping video, make sure you guys check that camping video out. It was really fun. These are just fun activities you can do while under quarantine if you are looking for ideas to do with your kids. Stay tuned.
All we need to do first is grab a piece of paper.
Okay.
Hi. We need to grab some piece of paper so we won't believe it. If we can, we're gonna do it today, right now. So if you guys never seen this before, we're gonna do it right now. So if you guys check this video and comment thumbs up. Here.
Oh, you gave mommy two?
Yeah.
Mommy doesn't need to. All right, you guys, so we are going to get started. Let's do Arlendaz over so you can see his handsome self.
So we got
our tissue rolls.
and paper towel rolls and
So what color paper you want?
red.
You want red, yellow, blue, green.
I want purple.
They don't have purple. This is blue.
I want blue.
All right.
Red.
No, you want red?
Yeah.
All right. Red is right here. Red.
Yeah. You want blue?
All right. So now we're going to get some scissors.
I want.
You got zigzags. So all these scissors come with different patterns. All of them do. My mom is a crafty lady. So they all have different patterns. So we're gonna help Arlendaz. Okay, safety first.
Yes, safety first.
So we're gonna help Arlendaz over here. Good job.
Can I do it?
Yeah, cut your paper. Watch your finger. Ooh. Is that how you want it?
moments later.
Shake it. You did it. Look. Shake, 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 shake. Now we're just waiting on Aniyah to finish hers so she can put the beans in her cup. Don't pull it off. Don't try to pull it off. Yay, we made one. Success. You gonna show your nana? All right, you guys, so we have made a few already. We're going to continue with these arts and crafts and let the kids finish making their arts and crafts. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us and making fun little shakies with us. Make sure you check out our camping video and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will catch you guys in our next video. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say
Bye-bye.
bye.
Bye.
You was just tearing that polo thing up.